Yes guys, in today's video we're going to be adding paddle extensions. So these will have an extension to it, which are right here. It's pretty straightforward, as it's just a stick on 3M tape on the front. It's not the full thing where you have to take the paddles off. So let's see how it goes. Right, the first thing, we're going to be cleaning the old paddles up with isopropyl alcohol. So pour a bit on a tissue, obviously a clean one, and then clean up the back where the 3M tape's going to stick to, and make sure you do a proper job. You don't want dust on there. Do both sides, and then stick the paddles on. So once all the surfaces have been cleaned and dried, then you can peel your 3M tape off. Start with the plus. Oh, bismillah. Yeah, it's pretty solid on there. Yeah, let's do the other one. So there you go guys, that's the final result. So what do you think? That was from AliExpress. Obviously not the top quality, but seems to be okay. Fits nicely on the existing paddle, so yeah, not bad still. What are you saying? Drop down a comment.